Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching Python tutorial series for beginners. Well, I'm still in the classes of Python, so we're going to see something different. Now, if you've already done programming in Java or any other programming languages, you might have come across something called as protected and private variables. There is something like that in Python as well, but not exactly the same. Well, let me start how to write a protected variable in here. So this is how you write a protected variable. Let me hard code the value in here. Now, for any protected value, you have to have a setter and a getter. So let's actually write it. Password. Underscore password and get password underscore password. Now this is the two methods that you can use in order to access this variable. That's how it should be done, but there is something different in Python. First, let me add two more, example mail, which we have already added in a previous video. Example mobile. We're not setting any password because we have hard coded it. Now, if I use user dot get password, I have to print it because I'm returning the value. Now it should be giving me my password. It is working, but should this work or should not? Well, it works in Python. Yes, the private and protected is something there in Python, but it doesn't matter. But what matters is in Python, people believe other programmers. You as a programmer should believe other programmer and other developers to use this and make sure that you're not going to access that variable through that. So what as a programmer myself, I will believe that anyone who is using my module will not use underscore, which is for protected. Instead, they'll be using this get password method or function. Now, this is something kind of a mutual understanding between the programmers, and that's what makes Python more aggressive rather than more. You don't have walls around you in Python. Python is about breaking free without limitations, and you're not going to put limitations on your own code as well. So this is something that you have to keep in your mind. The next thing is going to be creating a private. Now private, this is how you write a private variable. Let's actually do that in here and here as well. So double underscore. Now you cannot access the password like this. You'll be having the error. Well, yeah, private pretty much work, but you can still access that by using this. Now when I run it, this is how it works. But if you see anyone doing this in your team or anyone who's your friend, probably it's time for you to go to them and politely say that, I've seen your code, that was impressive, you impressed me, but the thing is, you're fired, or else this is the last time I'm letting you to use my module. So next time if you use it, I'll just kick you, because this is not how you do it, this is how you should do it. So even though Python makes it like limitless, you just mutually understand between the other programmer and write the code properly. It's up to you to decide at the end. So if you want to do something, debug something, or else you want to create an immediate fix, then you can still use the private and protected variables immediately by using these methods. I've shown you how to get them, access those variables without the getter and setter methods as well. So yeah, it's not exactly the same like private and protected methods, or sorry, variables that you can see in programming languages like Java, but they still exist in Python. So it's about two programmers understanding themselves and writing the codes based on what should be done, kind of a standards in Python. Well, thank you for watching this video. And if you have any kind of comments or suggestions or feedbacks, please leave them in the comment section of this video, or you can contact me through the Facebook page, Twitter feed, or Google Plus page as well. You can find the link of them in the description section of this video. And please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Keep watching the series.